Programming is hard. We've all been there. The endless hours spent staring at a screen, the frustration of not being able to find that one elusive bug. It's a struggle that every developer knows all too well. Staring at lines of code, trying to make sense of it all. The screen blurs as you try to find that one mistake, that one missing semicolon that's causing all the trouble. You type furiously, hoping that this time you'll get it right. But the error messages keep coming, and the frustration builds. It's like trying to solve a puzzle where the pieces keep changing. Hours can disappear chasing down bugs. You look at the clock and realize that what felt like minutes has actually been hours. The day slips away and you're no closer to a solution. And debugging? Don't even get me started. It's a never-ending cycle of trial and error, a game of whack-a-mole where every fix seems to create a new problem. It's like trying to find a needle in a haystack. Except the haystack is made of code, and the needle is a missing parenthesis or a misplaced comma. The complexity can be overwhelming. You scrutinize every line, every character, hoping to spot the error. But it's elusive, hiding in plain sight. The frustration mounts as you realize that the smallest mistake can cause the biggest problems. But it doesn't have to be this way. Imagine a world where coding is less about frustration and more about creativity, where the tools we use help us rather than hinder us. What if there was a better way? A way to make coding more intuitive, more efficient, and less stressful? What if we could focus on the creative aspects of coding rather than the tedious ones? What if there was a tool that could help us write better code, faster? A tool that could assist us in finding errors, suggesting improvements, and even writing code for us. Imagine the possibilities. Collaboration would become easier, as the tool could help bridge the gap between different coding styles and preferences. Teams could work more efficiently, focusing on innovation rather than troubleshooting. Refactoring code would be a breeze, with the tool suggesting the best ways to optimize and improve. The code would be cleaner, more efficient, and easier to maintain. Learning new techniques and languages would be less daunting, as the tool could provide real-time feedback and guidance. It would be like having a mentor by your side every step of the way. Success would be more attainable, as the tool helps you overcome the hurdles that once seemed insurmountable. The sense of accomplishment would be greater, knowing that you've created something amazing with the help of cutting-edge technology. The future of coding is bright, with tools that empower us to be more creative, more efficient, and more successful. It's time to embrace the possibilities and take our coding to the next level. So, the next time you find yourself struggling with a piece of code, remember that there's a better way. Embrace the tools that can help you and turn your frustration into inspiration. Because in the end, it's not just about writing code. It's about creating something meaningful, something that makes a difference. And with the right tools, anything is possible. Let's make coding a joy, not a struggle. Let's embrace the future and unlock our full potential. Together, we can create something truly extraordinary. Introducing Cursor AI, the code editor of the future. Imagine a tool that not only helps you write code, but also understands it deeply. This isn't just another text editor, it's your coding partner. Cursor AI is designed to be more than just a tool. It's an extension of your thought process. It understands your code like you do, maybe even better. With advanced AI algorithms, it learns from your coding style and adapts to your needs. Imagine a world where coding is effortless. Cursor AI takes care of the mundane tasks, allowing you to focus on creativity and problem solving. Where the editor anticipates your next move, it predicts your code, suggests improvements, and even completes lines for you. Where bugs are a thing of the past. With real-time error detection and intelligent debugging, Cursor AI ensures your code is always clean and efficient. That's the promise of Cursor AI. It's not just about writing code, it's about transforming the way you code. Experience the future of coding today with Cursor AI.
Cursor AI uses the power of artificial intelligence. It learns from your coding style. It predicts what you're going to type next. It's like having a mind-reading coding buddy. No more wasting time typing out long function names. Cursor AI does the heavy lifting for you. You can focus on the big picture.
We all make typos. It's human nature. But in coding, even a small typo can break everything. Cursor AI to the rescue. Cursor AI's advanced error correction goes beyond simple typos. It understands your code's context. It can identify and fix even the most complex errors.
Section 5. From idea to reality. Cursor, AI in action. Let's say you're building a website. You have a vision in mind, a design that you want to bring to life. But the journey from concept to a fully functional website can be daunting. This is where Cursor AI steps in to make the process smoother and more efficient. You need a function to handle user logins. This is a critical part of any website, ensuring that users can securely access their accounts. Writing this function from scratch can be time-consuming and prone to errors. With Cursor AI, you simply start typing. As you begin to write the initial lines of code, the AI understands your intent and starts suggesting the rest of the code. This not only speeds up the development process, but also helps in reducing potential bugs. The editor will suggest the rest. These suggestions are based on best practices and common patterns, ensuring that your code is not just functional, but also optimized for performance. Or maybe you're working on a machine learning project. These projects often involve complex algorithms and large datasets, making the coding process even more challenging. Cursor AI can help you write clean, efficient code. It understands the intricacies of machine learning algorithms and can provide suggestions that streamline your code, making it more readable and maintainable. It can even suggest optimizations you might not have thought of. These optimizations can lead to significant improvements in the performance of your machine learning models, helping you achieve better results with less effort. Collaboration is another area where Cursor AI shines. When working in a team, consistency and code quality are paramount. Cursor AI ensures that all team members are on the same page, providing uniform code suggestions and maintaining a high standard of code quality. This leads to more efficient teamwork and faster project completion. By reducing the time spent on debugging and refining code, teams can focus more on innovation and delivering value to their users. In essence, Cursor AI acts as a co-pilot for developers, guiding them through the coding process, suggesting improvements, and ensuring that the final product is robust and efficient. Whether you're building a simple website or working on a complex machine learning project, Cursor AI is there to assist you every step of the way. With Cursor AI, the journey from idea to reality becomes a seamless and enjoyable experience. Embrace the future of coding with Cursor AI and watch your projects come to life with ease and precision.
Section 6. The future of coding. A world without bugs. Imagine a world where coding is fun again, where you can focus on creativity, not debugging. Cursor AI makes this a reality. With Cursor AI, bugs become a distant memory. You can ship code faster and with more confidence. The possibilities are endless.
Section 7. Beyond the code, Cursor AI's broader impact. Cursor AI isn't just for experienced developers. It's the perfect tool for beginners too. It can help anyone learn to code faster and more effectively. This means more people can bring their ideas to life. It can lead to a new wave of innovation in software development.
Section 8. Embracing the revolution. Are you ready for Cursor AI? Cursor AI is more than just a code editor. It's a revolution in software development. It's time to embrace the future of coding. Are you ready to join the Cursor AI revolution? Section 9. A final thought, the dawn of effortless coding. The future of coding is here. It's time to say goodbye to frustration and hello to effortless coding. Cursor AI is leading the way. Section 10. Call to action. Join the Cursor AI revolution today. Visit our website to learn more about Cursor AI. Download your free trial and experience the future of coding. Section 11. About Cursor AI. The future is here. Cursor AI is developed by a team of passionate engineers and AI experts. Our mission is to make coding accessible and enjoyable for everyone.